Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you check your hotspot name in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to check your hotspot name in your Vivo phone. So as you can check, and guys now let's see how to check hotspot name in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So and now let's start video guys. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on network and internet. Guys click on hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot guys. Guys click on hotspot name. So as you can check your hotspot name from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot name in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like me to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.